Today we shall discuss some of the questions from morphology of flowering plants, particularly from the topic root, the very short answer questions and the long answer question we shall discuss about. The first question, differentiate fibrous roots from adventitious roots. The answer is, roots formed from any part of the plant other than radicle are called adventitious roots. Adventitious roots that arise as a tuft from base of the stem to replace the primary root are called fibrous roots. Second one, define modification. Mention how root is modified in banyan tree and mangrove plant. Answer. Modification is a change in the normal structure of a plant or its organ to perform either only additional functions or both additional and normal functions. In banyan tree, the adventitious roots of horizontal branches are modified to give pillar-like mechanical support to the branches. They are called prop roots. In mangrove plant, the lateral roots of underground roots become aerial, possess minute openings called nematodes to provide oxygen to underground roots for respiration. Such roots are called nematophores or respiratory roots. Example is Rhizophora. Third question. Which type of specialized roots are found in epiphytic plants? What is their function? The specialized roots found in epiphytes are velamen roots. These are aerial roots that help in absorbing atmospheric moisture by a process known as imbibition. Example is Vanda. Now, we shall look into the only long answer questions that can be asked from root. Define root modification. Explain how root is modified to perform different functions. Answer. Modification is change in the normal structure of a plant or its organ to perform either only additional functions or both additional and normal functions. Roots are modified to perform various functions such as storage of wood materials, mechanical support to plant, respiration, absorption of atmospheric moisture, absorption of more water and minerals from soil, nitrogenous nutrition, photosynthesis and absorption of water and food from other plants. Some of the root modifications are storage roots. These are modified roots which become swollen due to storage of food materials. They may be formed from taproot system or adventitious root system. Here, storage taproots. Taproot of some plants stores food materials and attains different shapes. They are conical roots in carrot, as given here. Napiform roots, example turnip. Fusiform roots, example radish. So sweet potato is adventitious, so turnip is given here. From adventitious roots, fasciculate roots, asparagus, the last figure. Nodal storage roots, adventitious roots in sweet potato, the third one. That is Ipomia. Next one. Mechanical roots. Modified roots that provide additional support to plants are referred as mechanical roots. They are stilt roots and prop roots. The supporting roots that arise at the nodal region and enter obliquely into the soil to provide additional support to stem are referred as stilt roots. Usually they are formed from basal nodes. These are the stilt roots of maize and sugarcane. Prop roots. Aerial adventitious roots arising from horizontal branches of huge trees and enter into the soil to provide pillar-like support to branches. Example, banyan tree. Nematophores. These are also called as respiratory roots or breathing roots. They are found in plants growing in swampy areas or the plants are mangroves. These are the nematophores. See, very negatively geotropically growing roots, so highly elongated with pointed tips. These roots vertically and upwardly growing negatively geotropic roots. They have minute lenticels in the aerial region of the root known as nematodes. So the elevated structures are nematodes. These help in entry of oxygen and exit of carbon dioxide during process of respiration. Example Rhizophora. Parasitic roots. Modified roots are seen in parasitic angiosperms. These are adventitious roots. They are also called astorial roots or sucking roots. Some parasites obtain only mineral water from the host root or stem. Host root in case of striga, stem, xylem in case of viscum. They are partial parasites. Whereas complete parasites establish ostoral connection with both xylem and phloem of the host and absorb both mineral water and food materials. So they are Cuscuta, the stem parasite, and Rafflesia root parasite. Both are complete parasites. Parasitic roots. Plants with such roots, means parasitic roots, are partial heterotrophs. Velamen roots. So the modified roots associated with epiphytes. They are aerial adventitious roots. They are aerial hanging roots with a dead multiple epidermis known as velamen, which helps in absorbing atmospheric moisture by imbibition. This in Vanda, the velamen roots are seen Vanda. Photosynthetic roots. These are modified adventitious roots that become green colored and perform photosynthesis. So these are the various modified roots. Right? And draw the diagrams, we get 8 out of 8 marks.